Hello everyone, myself Suresh Raut welcomes you to Python programming. Today we will see the list manipulation in Python. Here in this list topic of Python, we will see creating a list, accessing list elements and modifying list elements. What is list in Python? List is a standard data type of Python that can store a sequence of values belonging to any type. For example, list 1 contains all integers, list 2 contains words or names, list 3 contains the all decimal numbers, list 4 contains mixed values, that is integer, name and that decimal place. Now, how to create a list in Python? There is a syntax. See the syntax. You will have to write the list name first, then equal to, and include the elements in square bracket. See the examples. We can create the list of marks, a list of names, a list of vowels, and this list can have the values of integer, float, characters, words, like this. Accessing list element in Python. List elements are accessed by their indexes. There are two types of indexes, positive index and negative index. Positive index reads the element from left to right and negative index reads the element from right to left. Positive index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and negative indexes starts from -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. See how to access list elements in Python. Now this list stores the Python 6 elements, and these 6 elements having their own indexes. For example, P is having positive index 0 as well as negative index -6. Likewise, N is having positive index 5 as well as -1, that is negative index. So all these elements get access with their indexes. Here is the sample program in Python to access the list element. By using for loop, we can access list element one by one using their positive and negative indexes. See the output that P is a element get accessed here by using 0 and -6. 0 is a positive index and -6 is a negative index. Likewise, all P, Y, T, H, O, N get accessed with their indexes. Now, how to modify list in Python? We have to mention the list name, then write the index in square bracket and then equal to and place the value, new value. See the list 1 having some values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and after that we modified that list by writing list 1 in square bracket 3 is equal to 35. It means on third index that value 40 get modified with the 35. Now let us see list operations. Now in this, first we will see joining list. The concatenation operator plus is used to join the list. See the example, lst1 1 2 3, lst2 4 5 6, and this list get combined with the plus sign, that is lst1 plus lst2, and that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So lst1 and lst2 get combined with the plus sign. See another example of combining list. First list having 1 2 4 8 16 32, and second list having 32 16 8 4 2 1, and when these two lists get combined with the plus sign, that is concatenation symbol, then it get combined in a one list having all elements from list 1 and list 2. Now repeating or replicating list in Python. To repeat or replicate a list specified number of time, asterisk symbol, that is star symbol, or operator is used. For example, if we have LST list having 1 2 3 list atoms and if we want to print it 3 times on screen, then we have to write LST, that asterisk symbol, and 3 times means 3. So it get displayed in 3 times on screen. Now we will see slicing the list. It means extracting elements from a given list. List slices are the subparts of a list. Slices can be extracted by using the syntax, that is list name in square bracket start, colon, and end. Now what actually is start and end? Start is a starting index and end is a ending index. So it will extract the piece from start to end. Now here end is not included in output. See the example. Here is the example of slicing the list. We have one list named as LST and having 9 elements. If we are writing LST in square bracket 1 colon minus 5, it means it will extract the element from first index to minus 5. That means minus 4. Minus 5 is not included here in output. So it will give the output of 20, 30, 40. List supports the slice step. If you provide the step value there, it means it skips that number of elements and it will take the next element in the output. For example, if we are writing LST 0 colon 8 colon 2, that means it will start extracting from 0th index to the 8th index, that means 7th index, with the difference of 2. That means it will give the output 10, 30, 50, 70. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see the next coming video.